Odette here, and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, wonderful, well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I have a little fashion haul for you guys, and these are pieces that I would consider transition pieces season-wise, from winter to spring, and I would even say from spring to early summer as well. And I'm talking about temperatures that are probably above 7 degrees or 8, and you can really get away with these pieces as well. So we're just going to get started. So we are going to start with this one for sure, and I would consider this to be like a car coat. And this is from Isaac Mizrahi, New York, and I love this so much. It feels like a fleece. You guys are going to see this on as well. It feels so amazing. You know, walking the dog, running out to the corner store, a Friday work wear, anything like that, this is going to work. You can wear this with black, with red, with white. You can wear this with, I would say, a pencil skirt, legging, jeans, whatever you want, a pair of boots. You can dress this up however you want. And I love the fact that it's just a one button detail. The fabric is really, really nice, and it's nice and short. And of course, you do have 2 pockets on the side. It's really, really, really lovely. Lovely. You can button this up if you want. You can leave it open, and there was a lot of room for jewelry as well. This is a very, very, very pretty piece, and I love the checkered design on this. Very different, very unusual. I don't think I have anything like this in my collection, and of course, like I said, I'm trying to add some color to my wardrobe this year, and this is a perfect piece. Love it so much. Love the color. You can have it down, you can stand it up if you want, and there we go. And of course, if you cannot find this, you can get something that's similar, and it fits just right above the bum, I think. But it's such a beautiful piece. I mean, you can wear like a white shirt below this. You can wear something pink. You can make the color pop really nicely. Really, really love this. Very, very pretty. And I'm not going to even bother leaving the link below because there is no link. Okay, but like I said, if you cannot find this particular style, you can get something that's really similar to this. And again, it is very, very, very pretty. Feels really soft in the skin. Very, very beautiful. And so next we are going to talk about this beautiful jacket. This is what I call a cherry color. It's not red, because red and cherry are of course 2 different colors. And this is a beautiful jacket. This is from Nina Leonard, and this has lots of stretch to it. Beautiful color, and this is in a size large. And lovely sleeves here as well. I just turned the sleeves up. You have 2 pockets on the side. You can do a 1 button as well, and you can leave this open and room for belt and room for jewelry. Very, very, very pretty. And again, loads of stretch. I could have gone with a medium, but I can just wear this with a tank top if I just want to keep this on all day. I can put a tank top to the bottom and leave this open on top with jewelry, with a nice long piece of jewelry to the front. Or, you know what I mean, put your jewelry on. That's what I meant to say, okay? And yeah, great feature to the back. It gives you nice shape, and I really love this. And again, color is a big thing for me this year. And it's not one of those cherry colors that is really, really bright and blinding. It's a beautiful, subtle color. And again, this can be a car coat. You're heading into the car, you're going to walk dog with your friends, do whatever you want. And you know what? Dressing this is completely endless. You can just dress this however you want. It is very pretty. Love this from Nina Leonard. And again, it's a size large. There we go. Okay. Next, I do have this beautiful green. Oh my God. Again, guys, the color I'm adding to my wardrobe this year is amazing. This is a beautiful jacket. And again, you can see the theme here. They're very, very short, okay? Not very short, but they are short enough. Beautiful pockets, lovely buttons, gold buttons to the front. And there it is, nicely constructed. And what I like is the back. You got a beautiful band here. You can remove this if you want, but it's really nice for style to give you some shape to the back. And again, this is from Zara. Okay, this was on Instagram, so even if you guys had seen this on Instagram and you get it, congratulations. Okay, there we go. It's very, very pretty. Lovely color though. And I think green and red and yellow looks really good on dark skin. And I just love the fact that this is so pretty. And again, it's from Zara, and I love the color. You can have it stand up if you want to make it look a little bit more classy and rich. But it's really, really beautiful. You don't have to do anything with the sleeves. Love the fabrication. Love the beautiful gold detail buttons to the front. And of course, you've got 2 pockets. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course, you can dress this up, dress this down however you want. It is very, very, very pretty. There we go, from Zara. So check out the Zara website and see if you can find this coat. And last but not least, I do have this beautiful coat. Oh my God, I love this so much. First, let's go straight to the video. Look at the color. Let's start with the color. And you have this contrast color to the front where you have one side is a little bit longer than the other. And you can, it has no buttons, number one. It doesn't have a zipper. It's an open front jacket with a belt. You can belt this if you want. It has 2 beautiful, gorgeous pockets. And I'm just gonna come back to me for a quick second, and I'm just gonna show you guys the detail. So this is the sleeve right here. In the video, I have it rolled up, but look at the fabrication. This diamond shape design you see right here, it is so pretty. This is my favorite coat of all time. This is so unusual, so absolutely amazing. And it is like an olive color. It is so pretty. And it has a belt, as you can see in the video, okay? It has a good length to it. And I love the beautiful, it's like a patch pocket that you have to the front. Absolutely gorgeous. Try it to imagine you're wearing this coat with a lovely white shirt underneath this, a pair of black leggings or trousers, and a lovely pair of court shoes with a lovely bag on your shoulders, some simple jewelry, some earrings. Here comes spring. It is so beautiful. And so this is the tall. This is a size 14. And I had this coat in my collection for a while now. This is from Dorothy Perkins, London, UK. Very, very, very nice. When I was in England, of course, the weather is so different to the weather in Canada. I would wear this coat, and the compliments I would get from this was just really amazing. Absolutely stunning, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful jacket. Love it so much. And again, perfect for transition. And this color, guys, to the front, I mean, it sits flat on your chest, and it is just so beautiful. Again, room for jewelry. You can wrap the band around your waist, keep it up high, keep it up low, keep it down low. Put some jewelry and tank top shirt, whatever you want to wear with this would be absolutely lovely. You can remove the band if you want on this, but the fabric of this is just incredible. And this is what I call a classic, beautiful coat for transition. And the inside has a beautiful, soft, silky material as well. It keeps you nice and soft. It is so gorgeous. Absolutely love it. And of course, the theme for me this year again is color. Okay, very, very, very pretty. If you live in London, UK, Dorothy Perkins, check the website out. And of course, you can see here it is a size 14, and it's for the tall girls. I'm not that tall, but it fits absolutely perfect. And I have the perfect pair of boots to wear with this coat. It's going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous on. And I tell you, if you don't get compliments wearing this coat, something is wrong with people's eyes, because this coat is very, very pretty. And so on that note, this is the end of the video, and I do hope you guys enjoy all of these little fashions today that I presented to you guys. And like I said, you can get things that are similar to these. You can dress them up however you want, but color, color, color is a theme for me this year. Trying to add some color to my wardrobe for the spring and summer seasons. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. Leave me your comments below. Let me know which one of these are your favorites. All of them are my favorites, but this green coat, this is life for me. This is very, very pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Bye.